Hi guys, we continue with our mathematics classes. Okay, today we will see congruence and similarity. Okay, what it means. Congruence refers when two triangles are equals. Yeah, you need to remember that. If you refers to two triangles that are equals, it means there are congruence. Okay. The similarity refers when two triangles are similars. What it means that have the same angles but the sides are proportional. It means that one triangle is likeness the another, but it are to scale. For example, a big one and another smaller. Yeah. Okay. Now, reference to similarity. Exists Thales theorem. This is the theorem: if a line drawn parallel to any of sides in a triangle obtained is similar to the given triangle. Okay, it is similarity. Okay. The history about that theorem is Thales was a mathematician that lives in Egypt, and maybe it was 500 years before Christ. Somebody told to Thales that if can measure the height of the pyramid of Egypt, yeah, that monument are so big. Now we know that the height of that monument maybe it's 130 or 140 meters, so it's so big. Yeah, and imagine that calculus 500 years before Christ. Yeah, it's very difficult. So he watched the pyramid and look that the sun make a shadow, and he thinks that if that shadow is the same for the all things that you put there, what it means that is the same angle of the shadow. Yeah, if you look here, I don't know, think that the D are the pyramid, and this is the sun and this is the shadow. What happened here, if you put another object here, you form or you create two triangles. Yeah, if you check the Thales theorem, it says that our parallel sides you obtain a similar triangle. Yeah, so if you remember, the sides are proportional. What it means that is the same triangle but one is bigger than another. Yeah, and you can compare. For example, here the side A, this is the height of the smaller object, and you can compare the side A with the side D. This is the height of the bigger object. Yeah, if you look here, you need to compare by side. Okay, by side, B and C is the same side. Yeah, and here it's the same triangle. AB is the same triangle. DC is the same triangle. Okay, so if you compare that, you can calculate using the proportionality here. Okay, it is like all the situation that Thales solved so many years ago. Yeah. What you need to do, remember, you need to compare side by side, okay, and the same triangle here. Okay, we have two triangles here, one inside into another, so the smaller triangle is a little triangle with measures of 2A to B 2 and B to E 3. Yeah, and the bigger triangle A to C are 20 because B to C are 18, so you need to add 2. Yeah, all these sides are 20, and this is the value that want to find. Okay, so you need to compare the side AB with the side AC, 2 and 20. Remember, the same side. Yeah, so compare the another one, 3 with X, because you don't know what is the value of that side. Yeah, so you can use rule of 3. Yeah, you can multiply 20 by 3 and divide by 2. So if you do that operation here, the value of that side are 30. But if you remember, this is proportionality. You can use the proportion here. For example, the proportion between the smaller triangle with the bigger triangle are the side AB are 2, the measurement of that side are 2, and the measurement of the same side but the bigger triangle are 20. So what it means, that the bigger triangle are 10 times greater than the smaller. So if you have a value of 3 here, you need to calculate a value 10 times greater than the smaller. So this is y are 30. Yeah, when you apply similarity, always you need to compare, remember, the same side and the same triangle and the same triangle. Yeah, apply the rule of 3 and it is all. Okay guys, this is all about the theory of today. Now what the exercise you will do, the exercise 20, 21 and 22. Okay, the exercise 20 are similar that we did. Yeah, the exercise 21 is a little different, but you need to check there are the same triangle, but this is rotate triangle. Yeah, and the 22 are another triangle inside another. Yeah, so guys, this is all for today. I will wait for your homework. See you guys.